can see I'm outnumbered, but by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me. So all of you can leave now. Or half of you can die here.